Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to access a free API key for testing various AI models for free. For this you need to go to naga.ac website. It is naga.ac. There, the first thing you need to do is go to their Discord server. You click on the Discord. For this, you're gonna need to have a Discord account that is at least 5 days old and also has a profile picture. These are the requirements to join the Naga AI server. Go to the intro section in the server, and there is getting started section, which explains what is Naga AI and how do I get the API key. So to get the API key, I go to the bot section of the channel and I type /account key get. I select this option. Once I write this command, I get the API key. I can copy this key and use it. Once you have obtained your OpenAI API key, you can use it for your applications. Here I have created a web application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, where you enter the Naga AI API key and write user input. It's very basic. Then you click submit button and it sends the request to Naga AI and prints out the answer. Here is the answer. Top 10 cities in Europe by population. That's how this example works. I will include it in a link in the description. Now, in the example, there is a simple HTML file, simple CSS file, and there is the button that calls the JavaScript function that uses fetch to Naga AI completions API, uses post method, takes the API key from user input and writes out the message. In the example, it uses GPT 3.4 Turbo, but you can use other models, for example Gemini AI. And if you want to use GPT-4, you can't use it in the free version, you need to use paid version. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe and check out my blog with the link in the description.